Buy with a credit card on Shopee. Hey guys, what's up? Leonardo Paiva is back with another video. And in this video, I show you the step-by-step for you to buy with a credit card in the Shopee app. Before that, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Here I make several tutorials, always to make it easier for you. So come on guys, updated video. I show you the entire step-by-step for you to register your card and then make the purchase using it. I'm going to open the Shopee app here. For you to buy with a credit card, first we'll register the card. You're going to click up here after you log into the Shopee app. You're going to click up here on settings on that gear, and you're going to click on the bank accounts cards option. So here you'll have all your cards and bank accounts registered on Shopee. For you to add a new card, you're going to click here on add credit card, and you're going to enter your data such as card number, expiration date with month and year, CVV code, and name of the card. Also down here, you guys can put your billing address with your zip code, state or city, and your ID. Leandro, how do I get the CVV code? That information you can get on the back of your card. It can be as a CVV code or a CVC code. Once you've put in all of your information, you are going to click down here to submit. Then just come back. And you are going to choose the product you want to buy. So for example, I've already chosen the product here. I'm going to click here to buy now. I'll confirm the quantity. I just want one. If you want more, just put them in. But for me, I just want one. I'm going to click down here on buy now. Up here, you will confirm that the address is correct. Here on the channel, there is already a video showing how you set up the delivery address of your Shopee goods. If you haven't registered yet, I'll put a video on the card now in case you have any questions. Then here you'll confirm the information, folks. If the social security number is correct, if the delivery is standard. For example, my delivery is $10.83. I'm going to click here on Shopee coupon down here. I don't want to pay this shipping, so I'm going to use a Shopee coupon here, a free shipping coupon. I'm going to click OK down here. And I'm no longer paying shipping here. I'm only paying for the product. Then I've confirmed the information here. Everything is correct. Then you're going to go down, folks. And here's where you're going to switch to pay by card. My default payment method is PX. I don't want to pay with PX. I want to pay by card. I'm going to click here to change. And I'm going to choose a credit card. And I'm going to enter the card I registered here. I'm going to click on top. Here you choose how many installments you want to pay for this purchase. So I want to pay in installments, folks, up to 3. I don't have to pay interest. So I'm making it 3 interest-free installments. I'm going to click down here to confirm. I'm going to click place order. Just save. And there you have it, folks. Purchase made with credit card. Did you get it? Write it below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll be leaving now. Big hug. God bless. Thanks, everyone.